Question 1. The ratio of width of our national flag to its length is dash. Your options are 3:5. Option B is 2:3. Option C is 2:4. Option D is 3:4. If you know the answer, please हमें comment section में comment करके बता सकते हो. And the correct answer is, and the right answer is option B, 2:3. Question 2. Rabindranath Tagore's Jan Gan Man has been adopted as India's national anthem. How many stanzas of the said song were adopted? Your options are only the first stanza, option B, the whole song, option C, third and fourth stanza, option D, first and second stanza. And the correct answer is option A, only the first stanza. Question 3. Natya Shastra, the main source of India's classical dance, was written by dash. Option A is Naramuni. Option B is Bharat Muni. Option C is Abhinav Gupta. Option C is Tandu Muni. And the answer is Bharat Muni is the correct answer. Question 4. Dandiya is a popular dance of option A, Punjab, option B, Gujarat, option C, Tamil Nadu, option D, महाराष्ट्र. जिनको आंसर पता है प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलें. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, गुजरात. And question number 5. The words Satyameva Jayate encrypted below the base plate of the envelope of India are taken from option A, Rigveda, option B, Satpat Brahmana, option C, Mundak Upanishad, option D, Ramayana. जिनको आंसर पता है प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करना ना भूलें. And the correct answer is option C, Mundak Upanishad. Question number 6. Mohini atom dance from developed originally in which state? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Orissa. Option C, Kerala. ऑप्शन डी, कर्नाटका. एंड जिनको आंसर पता है प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करना ना भूलें. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, केरला. The next question is question number 7. Which of the following folk dance forms is associated with Gujarat? Option A, Notanki. Option B, Garba. Option C, Kathakali. Option D, Bhangra. The correct answer is option B, Garba. Question number 8. Which of the following academies is responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama and music in India? Option A is National School of Drama. Option B is Sangeet Academy. Option C is Sahitya Academy. Option D is Lalit Kala Academy. जिन जिनको आंसर्स पता है प्लीज़ हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करना ना भूलें, और जिन जिनको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही है प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, संगीत एकेडमी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Question number 9. The Rath Yatra at Puri is celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Option A Ram. Option B Jagannath. Option C Shiva. Option D Vishnu. And the correct answer is option B Jagannath. Question number 10. The book at Paris is option A Torah, option B Bible, option C Zind Avesta, option D Gita. And the correct answer is option C Zind Avesta. जिन जिनको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. कथकली इज अ फोक डांस ऑफ प्रिवलेंट इन विच स्टेट? ऑप्शन ए कर्नाटका, ऑप्शन बी इज उड़ीसा, ऑप्शन सी इज केरला, ऑप्शन डी इज मणिपुर. And the answer is Kerala. Question number 12. Which at the following dance is a solo dance? Option A is Autumn Tulla. Option B is Kuchipudi. Option C is Yakshagan. Option D is Odissi. And the correct answer is option A Autumn Tullal. Question number 13. The national anthem was first sung in the year. Option A is 1911. Option B is 1913. Option C is 1936. Option D is 1935. And the correct answer is option A in 1911. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's move to the next question. Question number 14. Thailana is a format of option A Kuchipudi, option B Odissi, option C Bharatanatyam, option D Kathak. And the correct answer is option C Bharatanatyam. Question number 15 is Madhubani, a style of folk painting, is popular in which of the following state in India? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Bihar. And the correct answer is option D, Bihar. The next question is question number 16. Kathak is the classical dance of option A, North India. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Manipur. Option D, Kerala. If you know the answer, please comment section में comment करना ना भूलें. And the correct answer is option A, North India. Question number 17. The headquarters of Sahitya Academy is at option A, Mumbai. Option B, Chennai. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Kerala. And the correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Question number 18. The dance encouraged and performance from temple of Tanjore was option A, Kathakali. Option B, Odissi. Option C, Kathak. Option D, Bharatanatyam. And the correct answer is Bharatanatyam. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the more updates. Let's move to the next question. Question number 19. Question number 19. The last Mahakumbh of the 20th century was held at option A, Nasik. Option B, Ujjain. Option C, Allahabad. Option D, Haridwar. And the correct answer is option D, Haridwar. Moving to next question. Question number 20. The national song of India was composed by option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option C is Iqbal. Option D is Jai Shankar Prasad. And the correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 21. Who composed the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Option A, Jaydev. Option B, Muhammad Iqbal. Option C, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Option D, Rabindranath Tagore. And the correct answer is option B, Muhammad Iqbal. Now next section is technology part, and question number 22 is in which decade was the American Institute of Electrical Engineers founded? Your options are option A in 1850s, option B in 1880s, option C in 1930s, and option D in 1950s. And the correct answer is option B in 1880s. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 23. What is the part of database that holds only one type of information? Option A, report. Option B, field. Option C, record. Option D, file. And the correct answer is option B, field. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 24. OS computer observation usually means option A, order of significance, option B, open software, option C, operating system, option D, optical sensor. And the correct answer is option C, operating system. Question number 25. In which decade the first transatlantic radio broadcast occur? Option A in 1850s, option B in 1860s, option C in 1870s, option D 19s, and the correct answer is option D in 90s. Question number 26. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 26. MOV extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A, image file. Option B, animation or movie file. Option C, audio file. Option D, MS Office document. And the correct answer is option B, animation or movie file. Next question is question number 27. In which decade was the spice stimulator introduced? Option A in 1950s, option B in 1970s, option C in 1960s, option D in 1980s, and the correct answer is option B in 1970s. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And next move to the next question, question number 28. Most modern TVs draw power even if turned off the circuit the power is used in does what function? Option A, sound. Option B, remote control. Option C, color balance. Option D, high voltage. And the correct answer is option B, remote control. And the next question is question number 29. Which is a type of electrical erasable programmable read-only memory? Option A, flash. Option B, flange. Option C, furry. Option D, FRM. And the correct option is option A, flash. The next question is question number 30. The purpose of choke in the tube light is option A to decrease the current, option B to increase the current, option C to decrease the voltage momentarily, option D to increase the voltage momentarily. And the correct answer is option D to increase the voltage momentarily. Question number 31. MPG extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A Word Perfect document file, option B MS Office document. Question number 31. MPG extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A Word Perfect document file, option B MS Office document, option C animation or movie file, option D image file. And the correct answer is option C animation or movie file. Moving to next question, question number 32. Who is largely responsible for breaking the German Intima codes created a test that provided a foundation for artificial intelligence? Option A Alien Turing, option B Jeff Bezos, option C George Boole, option D Charles Babbage. And the correct answer is option A Alan Turing. Next question, question number 32. Who developed Yahoo? Option A Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson, option B David Filo and Jerry Yang, option C Wayne Cerf and Robert Kahn, option D Steve Cass and Jeff Bezos. And the correct answer is option B David Filo and Jerry Yang. Question number 33. Made from a variety of materials such as carbon which inhibits the flow of current. Option A choke, option B inductor, option C resistor, option D capacitor. And the correct answer is option C resistor. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please do share and subscribe our channel. Moving to next question, which is question number 34. The most common format for a home video recorder, VHS, and VHS stands for option A video home system, option B very high speed, option C video horizontal standard, option D voltage house standard. And the correct answer is option A video home system. Question number 35. What does VVPF stand for? Option A, variant voltage file frequency. Option B, variable velocity variable fun. Option C, very viscous frequency. Option D, variable voltage variable frequency. And the answer is option D, variable voltage variable frequency. Moving to next question, question number 36. What frequency range is the high frequency band? Option A, 100 kHz kilowatt. Option B, 1 gigahertz. Option C, 30 to 300 megahertz. Option D, 3 to 30 megahertz. And the correct answer is option D, 3 to 30 megahertz. Question number 37. What is the relationship between resistivity, which is R, and conductivity, which is S? Option A, R equals to S2. Option B, R equals to S. Option C, R is greater than S. Option D, R equals to 1 upon S. And the correct answer is option D, R equals to 1 upon S. Question number 38. The first step to getting output from a laser is to excite an active medium. What is this process called? Option A, pumping. Option B, exciting. Option C, priming. Option D, raising. And the answer is option A, pumping.
तो सॉरी गाइस, ऑप्शन नंबर 8 राइट आंसर है, ये राइट आंसर है, ये रॉन्ग आंसर है, डोंट माइंड। तो चलिए हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हैं।
Question number 39. Which motor is not suitable for use as a DC machine? Option A, permanent magnet motor. Option B, series motor. Option C, 12 gauge motor. Option D, Synovus motor. And the correct answer is option C, 12 gauge motor. Question number 40. A given signal's second harmonic is twice the given signal's dash frequency. Option A, Fourier. Option B, foundation. Option C, fundamental. Option D, field. And the correct answer is option C, fundamental. Question number 41. In which year was MID, which is musical instrumental digital interference, introduced? Option A in 1987, option B in 1983, option C in 1973, option D in 1977. And the correct answer is option B in 1983. Question number 42. What does the term PLC stand for? Option A, Programmable Lift Computer. Option B, Program List Control. Option C, Programmable Logic Controller. Option D, Piezo Lamp Connector. And the correct answer is option C, Programmable Logic Controller. Question number 43. When measuring the characteristics of a small signal amplifier, say for a radio receiver, one might be concerned with its noise. Option A, fundamental. Option B, fall. Option C, force. Option D, figure. And the correct answer is option D, figure. Question number 44. DB computer abbreviation usually means option A, database. Option B, double bytes. Option C, data block. Option D, driver boot. And the correct answer is option A, database. Question number 45. INI extension refers usually to what kind of file? Option A, image file. Option B, system file. Option C, hypertext related file. Option D, image color matching profile file. And the correct answer is option B, system file. Question number 46. The sampling rate for CD is option A, 48.4 kilohertz. Option B, 22,050 hertz. Option C, 44.1 kilohertz. Option D, 48 kilohertz. And the correct answer is option C, 44.1 kilohertz. Question number 47. Who created Petticoat Privacy, PGP? Option A, Phil. Zimmerman. Option B, Tim Berners-Lee. Option C, Mark Anderson. Option D, Ken Thompson. And the correct answer is option A, Phil Zimmerman. Question number 48. After the first photons of light are produced, which process is responsible for amplification of the light? Option A, blackbody radiation. Option B, stimulated emission. Option C, Planck's radiation. Option D, Einstein oscillation. And the correct answer is option B, stimulated emission. Question number 49. Which is not an acceptable method of distributing small power outlets throughout open plan office area? Option A, power poles. Option B, power skirting. Option C, flush floor ducting. Option D, extension cords. And the answer is option D, extension cords. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and do like and share our channel, and please subscribe our channel. Question number 50. In the UK, what type of installation requires the fireman's switch? Option A, neon lighting. Option B, high pressure sodium lighting. Option C, water features. Option D, hotel rooms. And the correct answer is option A, neon lighting. Question number 51. Former Australian captain Mark Taylor has had several nicknames over his playing career. Which of the following was not one of them? Option A, Tubby. Option B, Sturridge. Option C, Helium Bat. Option D, Stumpy. And the correct answer is option D, Stumpy. Question number 52. Which was the first non-test playing country to beat India in an international match? Option A, Canada. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Zimbabwe. Option D, East Africa. And the correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Moving to next question, question number 53. Track and field star Carl Lewis won how many gold medals at the 1984 Olympic Games? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 8. And the correct answer is option C, 4. Question number 54. Which country did Ravi Shastri play for? Option A, Glamorgan. Option B, Leicestershire. Option B, Gloucestershire. Option C, Gloucestershire. Option D, Lancashire. And the correct answer is option A, Glamorgan. Question number 55. Who was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title? Billiards title. Option A, Deep Sethi. Option B, Wilson Jones. Option C, Michael Ferrari. Option D, Manoj Kothari. And the correct answer is option B, Wilson Jones. Question number 56. Who is the first Indian woman to win Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? Option A, ML Valsama. Option B, PT Usha. Option C, Kamlajeet Sandhu. Option D, K. Maleshwari. And the correct answer is option C, Kamaljeet Sandhu. Question number 57. Which two countries did Kapil Dev play?
आंसर क्या है?
Question number 58. When was Amateur Athletes Federation of India established? Option A, in 1936. Option B, in 1946. Option C, 1956. Option D, 1966. And the correct answer is option B, in 1946. Question number 59. Ricky Ponting is also known as what? Option A, the Rickster. Option B, Once. Option C, Pointer. Option D, Punter. Option D. And the answer is option D, Punter. Question number 60. The first hang gliders to be flown were flown in option A, in 1600. Option B, in 1700. Option C, in 1800. Option D, in 1900. And the correct answer is option C, in 1800. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, and do like and share our videos if you like it. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye. Question number 61. How many times did Geet Sethi win the IBSF World Billiard title? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. And the correct answer is option B. Option B 3. Moving to next question, question number 62. In which year did Milkha Singh win the first national title in the 400-meter race? Option A in 1955, option B in 1956, option C in 1957, option D in 1970. And the correct answer is option C in 1957. Who won the question हो गया? Question number 63. Who won the 1993 King of the Ring? Question number 63. Who won the 1993 King of the Ring? Option A Owen Hart, option B Bret Hart, option C Edge, option D Marvel. And the correct answer is option B Bret Hart. Question number 64. Which player has scored the most runs in a single test innings? Option A Graham Couch, option B Matthew Hayden, option C Brian Lara, option C Brian Lara, option D Agarkar, and the correct answer is option C Brian Lara. Question number 65. Question number 65. Who was the first ODI captain for India? Option A Ajit Wadekar, option B Bisan Singh Bedi. Option C, Nawab Patodi. Option D, Binu Makand. And the correct answer is option A, Ajit Wadekar. Question number 66. Where did India play its first one-day international match? Option A, Lords. Option B, Headingley. Option C, Taunton. Option D, the Oval. And the correct answer is option B, Headingley. Question number 67. India reached the final of Davis Cup for the first time in option A in 1964, option B in 1966, option C in 1970, option D in 1974. And the correct answer is option B in 1966. Question number 60. Question number 68. The Asian Games were held in Delhi for the first time in option A in 1951, option B in 1963, option C in 1971, option D in 1982. And the correct answer is option A in 1951. Question number 69. The Dronacharya Award is given to option A, sportsman, option B, coaches, option C, umpires, option D, sports editors. And the correct answer is option B, coaches. Question number 70. In which Indian state did the game of polo originate? Option A, Meghalaya, option B, Rajasthan, option C, Manipur, option D, West Bengal. And the correct answer is option C, Manipur. Question number 71. Where did the first ODI match was played in India? Option A, New Delhi. Option B, Ahmedabad. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Mumbai. And the correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Question number 72. What is the name of the person that controls a football match? Option A, a referee. Option B, an umpire. Option C, a spectator. Option D, a goalkeeper. And the correct answer is option A, a referee. Question number 73. The Indian football team made its first appearance at Olympics in option A in 1936, option B in 1948, option C in 1952, option D in 1956. And the correct answer is option B in 1948. Question number 74. Which country won the Cricket World Cup in 1999? Option A, Australia. Option B, South Africa. Option C, Pakistan. Option D, England. And the correct answer is option A, Australia. Question number 75. The name Kunja Rani Devi is associated with option A, weightlifting. Option B, target shooting. Option C, athletics. Option D, swimming. And the correct answer is option A, weightlifting. Question number 76. How many gold medals have been won by India in the Olympics so far? Option A 4, option B 8, option C 9, option D 10. And the correct answer is option C 9. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for latest updates. Please hit the bell icon. प्लीज़ हमारी बाकी वीडियोस को भी आप देख सकते हैं हमारे इस चैनल पे जाके। देखिए कितनी सारी वीडियोस है, सारे नॉलेजेबल हैं। प्लीज़ जाइए और इन सबको ही देखिए और इन्हें लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और बहुत सारा कमेंट कीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. When was the first cricket test match played? Option A in 1873, option B in 1877, option C in 1870, option D in 1788. And the correct answer is option B in 1877. Question number 78. Question number 78. Who was the first Indian to win an individual medal in Olympics? Option A Milkha Singh, option B PT Usha, option C Karmanal Maleshwari, option D KD Jadhav. And the correct answer is option D KD Jadhav. Question number 79. How many gold medals did PT Usha win in the 1986 Seoul Asian Games? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. And the correct answer is option D 4. Question number 80. Which of the following countries won the final of the triangular cricket series held in Durban in February 1997? Option A India, option B New Zealand, Option C, South Africa. Option D, Zimbabwe. And the correct answer is option C, South Africa. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, and do like and share our videos if you like it. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye.